This clip explains how to buy shares of Flugger Group AS, ticker FlugB. CO, listed on CBOE EU. Flugger is a Danish coatings and paint company, and this guide is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account, which usually requires an ID, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker flugb.co to locate the correct listing. Make sure the result shows Flugger Group AS on the CBOE EU exchange. Open the stock page to review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right security. Verify the page displays Flugger Group AS in the flugb.co ticker. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A soft reminder, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to open an account.